If you'd like to add text to your Mixboard design, this is super easy. So let me show you how. Once you're on Mixboard in your project, look towards the left hand side and you'll find add text. You click on that and you just need to move it wherever you want to add text. So as you can see, I'm moving it. I'm going to let it go right here and it's going to now add the text box. So I'm going to call this one My Designs, for example, right? And here you can change the font style. You can basically change the color, whatever it is that you want. So I'm going to just basically change the color here to make it, let's put it like this, and the size, we can make our size different as well. So you want to ensure that the text is highlighted as well when you're making changes, and so that you can see the design actually change, right? So you can, let's adjust the size right here. We can bold the text, and we can do whatever it is that we want to with it basically, right? So we're going to change it, and as you can see right here, you have it. And if you want to, let's say, manually do it, you can always drag it out to make your design whatever you want. So that's basically it, guys, how you can add text in Mixboard. Very easy and very simple.